The first thing you notice with the KeenPower 21-volt inflator is the really nice carrying case that it comes in. It includes a selection of inflator nozzles for balls or pool toys or what have you, the 21-volt battery with a charging port and a USB port. It comes with a 110-volt outlet charger and an old-school style cigarette lighter adapter for use in the car. The inflator itself looks a lot like a cordless drill, but it comes with the hose and valve stem connector already on it. The inflator itself is well thought out and remarkably easy to use. Install the battery and press the power switch to turn it on. Pressing the on switch again allows you to choose the proper preset for the task at hand, in this case, inflating a bicycle tire. The preset was for 45 pounds. My tire said 43 as a max, and I decided to set it for 42. There are plus and minus buttons to do this with. Connect the hose to the valve stem, and then just pull the trigger once to start the inflator. The digital display will show you the actual pressure as it increases. This inflator was able to fill the tires relatively quickly. And then it shuts itself off when it reaches the selected pressure. You don't even need to hold it while it works. It'll shut off automatically. And a really interesting added feature is that USB port on the battery can be used to charge your phone, tablet, or other devices. This inflator is easy to use, easy to store, and has some really good features for the price point. I highly recommend it.
Good.
I'm not going to provide a how-to video because honestly I don't really know how this works, but there was one, oh, it's good for bicycle tires as well. I wanted to celebrate a certain detail that the company provides. It shows you how to put the various pieces back into the storage case, which I really appreciate because sometimes it just doesn't quite work right. The instructions are clear. The quality of the bag is fair. This seems a little bit cheap, plastic-y, but that doesn't mean it doesn't work right. I mean, I've used cheap adapters on my very expensive iPhones, and they've lived to tell the tale for many years to come. This feels a little bit more substantial, and these are, well, Oh, different nozzles. Anyway, so I look forward to using this preferably in a non-emergency situation. The battery was easy to attach, by the way. I put that on all by myself. Anyway, there we go.